Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sebastian and this is Sab on Cars, the channel where we react to everything to do with cars. Guys, finally we get to see the Lamborghini Revuelto. Oh, I could be saying it wrong, but that's it. That's the new flagship V12 Raging Bull is out, guys. It is out and finally we get to see it perform against its traditional rivals. This, I don't care who says what, 1,000 horsepower is still hypercar territory for me. And I think everyone else. 1,000 horsepower from a naturally aspirated V12 coupled with a hybrid electrification system. It's just badass. It is badass. Just like the car it's going to be racing against. The king of these hybrids, the Ferrari SF90, which is blisteringly quick. And man, we get to now see Lamborghini's last number, its flagship dinosaur King Kong, take on the Ferrari. And in the mix, the car that's been thrown in is the very stunning Porsche 918 Spyder, also another hybrid monster. This was part of the Holy Trinity when they first came out, the LaFerrari, the P1, and it was the 918 Spyder, my favorite out of the trio. It's going to be racing against the new hyper elites. These are the kings right now. So let's waste no more time. I want to see what this Raging Bull can do. My man, I mean, Lamborghini. Come on, man. Let's see what can 1,000 horsepower Lamborghini do. And let me fix my stuff so we can get into it. And let's go.
Video now.
Stats.
Right, that's enough of that. Let's get on with the customary carwow sound check. So I'm going to rev up this Lambo. No stop limiters here, and a red line at 8,500 RPM.
Okay then, Tommy, so I think your new car will sound better than your old car.
But just to be sure, rev up the Ferrari. Nah. So turbocharging gets in the way of noise, and we'll prove that now by revving up the naturally aspirated V8 in the Porsche. Go on, Tom.
Look at it. Come on, guys. It still looks stunning.
That's further away, and it sounds better, even though there's a greater distance between my ear hole and its exhausts.
That's true.
Yeah, that's a definite loss there for the Ferrari, isn't it? Let's see if we're going to lose another one.
Okay, here we go. Woo! Okay. Go Lambo.
Oh, it's game on. That Ferrari's gaining. Come on.
Turbo. SF90, man.
Come on, Lambo. Got a better launch.
Come on, Lambo. Nah, SF90's way more powerful.
No frickin' way!
Oh my gosh!
This launched really well, did a great job. I was ahead of you, Tommy, but I think you basically did what you didn't want to do.
I feel like you messed it up, you know, because you had such a lead. I feel like you made a mistake somewhere.
Car was in full auto mode, did what it did. Rules are best 2 out of 3. You had me on the line, didn't you?
It wasn't, was it that wasn't just reaction time, was it?
No, your car was behind and then it was in front. The Ferrari was quicker over that drag race.
Tom, what happened?
It did better than I expected, but it kind of short shifted from second to third, I think. So I don't know why it did that. That kind of dropped it back a little bit, but it did do better than I expected.
Anyhow, best 2 out of 3. So you get another chance, Tom.
And Tommy?
Do you know what? If you wanted, we can swap cars.
You know what? If I win again, we'll swap cars. How about that?
No. If you lose, we swap cars. Now, I know you favour this Lamborghini because it's your most recent purchase, and I must say it's really nice to drive. Rides really well. It's amazing the way it goes over bumps. But
I know you love it. I still want it to be super competitive.
you need to get that SF90 off the line as best as you can because we want to compare the performance of these cars.
I'll do my best.
Okay, Tommy, good luck on this.
Good luck to you too.
Let's go again. off the line again. Just kills the
Launch.
Ferrari. Could it be the naturally aspirated engine compared to a turbocharged
Good
which
launch by
needs
the
to
Porsche as well.
918.
Come on, Revuelto, you got this, baby!
Yeah, that Revuelto's going. But the Ferrari has more power.
Okay, Tommy, what happened there?
I bogged down a lot, wheel spin, but I started picking back up.
And Tom, you were much better that time.
Yeah, got a pretty good launch that time.
Right, let's do one more. You drive this, Tommy, I'm going to drive that.
Last one.
I don't trust you. I think you're sandbagging.
How could I sandbag? I'm just flooring it.
Lucky dude. Revuelto and
Right, Tommy.
SF90.
Let's find out if you've been sandbagging.
I beat you though the first time.
The first time.
To be fair, I think I was catching you the second time.
I think you were as well. Let's find out though. Go
Okay.
on, you drive that. Poor Tom, we're not really... Hi, you're right. Yeah. His car looks the best.
Yeah.
Tommy, I thought I sat upright like an old woman.
You must be standing up in the car.
When the car came off the transport when it came here, that's the position the seat was in, I just left it.
Okay, last one. SF90. And that was sick.
Now you see.
Ah, the SF90 is the king of hybrids.
Now you see, Mr. Lamborghini. So Tommy, I've got some bad news for you.
Lay it on me.
It's quicker. I refuse to believe it.
I actually refuse.
You refuse to believe it. You know it's quicker. That beat you comprehensively. When I was ahead of you and we launched quite closely, this came past. In the final race that you raced this, you were a little bit slow off the line. Do you want another race?
Yes, please.
Let's
Tom,
go.
do you mind? Sorry to ignore you. I don't know where you are, but I still prefer your car out of any of these.
So
Me
do I.
too. 980 looks so much better than these cars. Again! Nah, SF90s are better. Those turbos really make the difference.
That was a fair launch, neck and neck. And this is killing the Lamborghini.
Jeez. It's walking away. It's walking away. There's no way. Nah. Even in the rolling races.
That was mental. Tommy, I've got some bad news for you.
Your car is slower than your car.
Could be worse.
That was the best launch I've had out of this. It was mental. We both left pretty much together. This is quicker. It feels quicker as well.
It looks like you just hooked up. I had tire screeching, but yeah, you were pulling. I don't know how to feel about that. I'm happy and sad at the same time.
Tom, where were you in all of that?
Wasn't a million miles away from Tommy, but I was from you. This kind of went a little bit sideways off the line and then short shifted again.
Anyway, I think we've done enough drag races. It is what it is. Here's the results.
So then what exactly happened?
What times are there?
Well, the Ferrari won. It completed the race in 9.6 seconds. The Lamborghini took 9.9 seconds and the Porsche was last with a time of 10.1 seconds.
Want to sell your car quickly, easily, and for a fair price?
Then head to carwow to have over 4,000 trusted dealers ready to bid on it in an online auction.
First, enter your car's registration to get an instant approximate valuation. Then, if you want to proceed, give us some more details and upload some photos and we'll help you set a fair reserve price for your car. That's the minimum amount you'd be happy to sell it for.
Once you've done that, we'll enter your car into an online auction.
When the auction's over, we'll let you know the result and the dealer with the winning bid will be in touch to arrange easy payment and free collection of your car. 93% of sellers surveyed said they got the price they expected or more through carwow.
Instant response.
The best bit
from
is
the Lamborghini.
It's completely free!
But the power.
I put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment to take you directly to carwow, where over 4,000 dealers are ready to bid on your car. Or you can just click on the pop-out banner that should be appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now. Alternatively, just Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you sell your car quickly, easily and for a fair price. On with the video.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour. The cars are in their sportiest setting, manual mode for the gearbox. We're going to do it in second gear, first to the half mile. 3, 2, 1, go.
It spun its wheels.
Come on! Here comes the half. Whoa! That was really interesting. It was so close. Gotta say, when I floored it in second gear, this just spun up its wheels. How about you, Tommy? Did yours just put its power down?
I honestly wasn't paying attention. I was just trying to get in front of you.
Tom? Anything
There's not going to be a
add?
difference.
No, I was quite pleasantly surprised with how this kept up pretty well. I think it was almost equal with the
918 is in front of
Revuelto,
them.
but you were pulling ahead, I think.
Crazy.
Yeah.
This is faster.
You know what? I think it is. But this looks and sounds way better, so... Wait, it's my car as well! Yeah, no, it's great. Yeah, I love it. Especially in this urban bamboo colour, wrapped by Wrap Sanctuary. It looks delicious.
But neither of them look as good as the Porsche, do they? Come on.
Let me just edge forward so I can see. I think the Revuelto looks better. Personally, I think.
No. But then, you know, I'm more of a Porsche guy. Anyway, race over the half mile, but this time we're going to be pulling from third gear from 50 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go.
No, we're going to stop it right there. We're going to stop it right there because we don't care about the braking test. I don't care about it. I don't know about you guys. I really don't care about the braking test. Wow. Wow, guys. I did not expect that. I thought the Lambo would be the fastest because it's brand new, brand spanking new. But the SF90 just proves to be faster. Ferrari just made a much faster car. Even with this new updated Revuelto, you can't beat turbochargers for when it comes to torque. There's just torque for days. There might be turbo lag, but the hybrid system tries to fill that in. But the torque is the most important thing. And you can see it as the SF90 starts to walk away. The Revuelto, off the line, much better car. It seems to put down its power even better. But then the SF90 is more power, more torque. The one I'm impressed with the most is the 918 Spyder. Guys, 2016 model, almost 10 years. And it's able to keep up with today's hypercars. It's the new hypercars with better traction, better tires, better setups. It's crazy. It's crazy how ahead of its time the 918 is actually. You can see it in this type of video. Out of these three, I don't know, it would be tough. If someone said, choose one of these, which one would you go home with? It would be very tough. Revuelto sounds amazing. Looks great. It's futuristic Lamborghini. SF90, mwah, I'm a Ferrari fan. Big time. Love it. Doesn't sound as good as the other two. And the 918 is my favorite Porsche of all time. Well, then CGT after it. So it would be very tough, but I'd take the 918. I love that car. And I'm more impressed by the 918 than both these new cars in this particular video, because imagine if you had to modify it. Even just throwing nitrous into it, you'd be able to run quicker than these cars. And also, guys, cars that come out the box and run 9 seconds have to be hypercars. 9.9 seconds on an unprepped track? 9.6? And 10.1? Ah, come on guys. These are hypercars. Let's not sugarcoat it. These are hypercars. Guys, please tell me in the comment section what you think of the Revuelto. Did you expect these results? I didn't, but it was a fun video to watch. Thank you to the team at carwow for giving us this video. And until the next video, guys, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and the like button, please, to help us with the algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video.